The Atto 3 doesn't come standard with struts, which is a bit of a shame because the hood to open weighs about 7 kilos. They give us an automated hatch, but the hood we've got to struggle with. These aftermarket struts really make a big difference. It just opens by itself, and it's easy to close. They're very easy to install. You just replace 2 nuts, one with a knob and one with a bracket, and that's all you do. And clip the strut in. It really is very simple. I'll demonstrate. Replace the bolt on the right with the knob. Replace a second nut on the hood with the bracket. And that's all you do. You now fit the strut. So you just plug in one end and then plug the other one in. Okay, you just push it down. And that's it. Voila.